I got a package. I got the package, and then this one is from Japan. Really wanted to do a genuine unboxing, so I waited 2 weeks for me to be able to open this up. I got this one probably 3 weeks ago, but then I didn't really have the time to open it up. So today's the day that we're going to open this, so check this out. I saw Grace and her bags. She bought this bag from a Japanese online store, and I was encouraged to buy one from there too. So this is what I have right now, and then we're going to unbox it for you guys. Let's see how it is. So here we are. We're going to open this. Let's see if you can see it like there. So hopefully it's an authentic bag from, of course, my favorite store. And ta-da! And there's a bag. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at this. Is she that gorgeous? Wow. Wow! I'm excited. It is an authentic Louis Vuitton shoulder bag, Danube. I got so excited about this, as you can tell. Oh, and then this one too. It's kind of like, oh, it's almost done already. Oh, look at that. That's sad. So I'm not gonna be really able to use this, because if I use this, it's just gonna rip off, and then I'm going to try to bring it to the store, and then that's that one too. Other than that, it looks good. It was just exciting. This is from an auction on eBay, and there's that. Look at that, right? It's cute. So I'll model it for you guys. Yes, yes, yes. I can hide my belly like that, or like this. But it's so nice. I'm kind of like disappointed a little bit, but other than that, it's a nice buy. It's so cute. Look, it's kind of like shape of my face, right? But no, that's all for today. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It's Charles, California.